Hi all, welcome to Distracket channel. Today we are discuss one of the best topic about the Google Search Console. So majorly, what is the purpose of people using for Google Search Console option? What is the main reason? In a website, any kind of errors or how many people are indexing your, how many web pages you are indexing on your particular website, that all we can given by the option name is called Google Search Console option. Suppose what are the issues? Valid, excluded. This all information will given by the your particular option will be called here. So total in submit pages 500, 113 pages are not indexing. So it will be indexing for here. Just look into this option. What are the pages will be not indexed? You can check it is. So this will be not indexed. So we have to index will be here. What is the error will be occur in this? You can check from the exclude option in this duplicate error, crawly, not indexing. Everything will be given by the particular option. Discover, correctly not indexed. These all issues we can resolve by the in a particular option. So this will be all your known pages, all submit pages. These all given information by the your Google Search Console option. In this Google Search Console, how we can submit by the in your new website on the Google Search Console option. Now you can go to steps here. I'm go to this, selecting one website here. So here I'm selecting one website is called cameinteriors.com. They are providing for construction field, painting, interior design, fall ceiling, construction works. So in this website, how we can submit for the Google Search Console. Every Search Console, we have to particular URL will be selected from the users. So that will be here. Enter it. We can use a proper email. The first time you are enabled by Google Search Console, they are coming to welcome to Google Search Console option. To the start property, select the proper type. Here will be two options. All URLs across all subdomain, all your across HTTPS require DNS verification. So this is a two options. So in this purpose, we can selecting home page. We always selecting for in this URL prefix. Only URLs under enter the address. Only URLs under specified protocol. Allow multiple verification methods. So this will be only required for DNS verification. Where you can purchase domain, that is a DNS verification. But we always go to where in this particular URL prefix. Enter the website URL https:// is compulsory important cameinteriors.com. After / remove it. Click for continue. It is verification total will be given by the 4-step process. How many? 4 step. HTML file, HTML tag, and Google Analytics and Google Tag Manager, domain and DNS providers. So these are all options. So which is very comfortable. We can download HTML file easily. We can verify it. Download this HTML file. The file was downloaded will be in your download folder. It is done. After this one, each website we can separate cPanel is there. That is a control panel. We can log in for the control panel option. Give me a second. I'm logging control panel. Here we can go to option name is file manager. Any particular website, this code we can send for the developer your task. As a digital marketing, any company not providing for cPanel access. So anything we can submitting this file purpose public_HTML. In this, we can upload the direct file will be here public_HTML. In this download, what are the file will be here? You can download it. After download this file, we can upload by your cPanel. Immediately you can click for verify this procedure. Go to the property. It is verifiable done. Sir, only out of 5 steps we can done by only 1. Remaining also we can do it. Yes, we can do it. Where it is called, go to setting. Here verify ownership. In this verify ownership, remaining also we have to do it this all options. Suppose, sir, this also I can verify this all complete procedure. We can do the complete procedure also. No need to worry this procedure time. Google Tag Manager, Google Analytics, everything you can verify it. It's not a big task. That is called, here I'm only for one time I'm doing the verification HTML file. After this one, what are your website performance and what are the coverage? Every information will given by the Google Search Console. Is the first time we were indicate na? So that is the reason we have to set up by your Google Search Console. This is the first time they not give any information. Based on the search engine optimization, the report will be generated will be like this. So already here, total pages, sitemap, 500 pages, coverage, all submit pages, 387 will be valid and 113 will be is still not indexed. So current not indexed, submit URL not selected by the as a canonical. So what are the issues? The all information will given by the your particular Google Search Console option. So everything we can do for index option by using for Google Search Console option. Google Search Console mainly focus by the index of each and every URL, each and every page. For indexing method will be follow the customers and what are the query, what are the errors, what are the reports, everything resolved by the your particular option name is called Google Search Console. So that is the reason any PHP HTML website same will be follow the step. Download HTML file, upload the cPanel. WordPress also will be same procedure. And so I'm creating for Google Search Console is fine. Can I access this Google Search Console multiple users? Yes, we can go for the multiple user option also will be there. That is called setting. We can give access to the multiple users. Add user option. This will be give 80% user access. This will be complete ownership will give to the Google Search Console. Any email we can write it here. Continue. In this, done this one. Here is a testing live URL going on. This way I'm showing for indexing procedure. So any kind of Google Search Console, each and every URL that is called requesting index and go to the testing live URL. Previous URL is not on Google. After indexing, URL on the Google will be shown to the customers. These all process we can done by the Google Search Console option. So this all procedure is very, very important each and every website. Google Search Console, they can give the report based on XML sitemap. The XML sitemap information will be given by your particular website for the all pages indexing purpose. So guys, these are very, very important. Google Search Console mainly focused by the sitemap issues, page experience, crawling, and your page performance, keyword research, keyword, anything will given by the Google Search Console. So this is a setup is very, very important. Every users to access the Google Search Console. So now is open for Google Search Console. Here it is called Came Interiors. It is done or not, you can check from here. So K is not done. So simple. After updating, simple we can click from here. Where add property, click this, continue. Immediately it is verified. Why? Because I'm given access for the particular customers. So this is called we access by the two emails. So Google Search Console, we can access multiple user access without sharing Gmail and password also. So this is the steps we can follow the customers to updating for Google Search Console option. Any queries or Google Search Console, please contact my channel. I definitely will be sort out your issues. So if you like the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. You will be done. It will show for Google. URL will be on Google option.